Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So are you looking for accounting software but not sure which one to pick? In today's video, let's break down Manager Io versus QuickBooks in simple terms, so you can make an informed choice for your business. First up, price. Manager Io has a free desktop version that works forever on Windows, Mac, and Linux. This is a great option if you're just starting out and need a low-cost solution. If you want cloud access, which lets you access your accounting data from anywhere, it's about $19 per month. QuickBooks Online, on the other hand, starts at $38 per month and goes up to $275 depending on the plan. That's a big difference, especially for small businesses that are keeping an eye on every single dollar. For Shopify store owners just starting out, Manager Io's free version could be a solid choice until your business scales. Both Manager Io and QuickBooks handle the basics well. You can make invoices, track expenses, do bank matching, and run reports. These are all essential tasks for any business, especially if you're tracking sales and expenses for your Shopify store. Manager Io covers inventory, payroll, and multiple currencies, which is great if your store deals with a lot of stock or has international customers. QuickBooks has all of that too, plus a wider range of connections to other apps. QuickBooks links with over 800 tools, making it a powerhouse for businesses that need integrations, like syncing with Shopify, payment systems, email marketing platforms, and more. While Manager Io keeps things simple with fewer connections, it's still a great option if you don't need complex integrations right away. QuickBooks wins on ease of use. It's known for being user-friendly, even if you're not an accountant. This is a big benefit for Shopify store owners who may not have accounting experience but need to manage finances efficiently. The layout is smooth, intuitive, and they continuously update it based on user feedback. Manager Io has a clean look, but it's more basic. Some people love that simplicity. It's quick to navigate without unnecessary features. Others, however, find it a bit old school, especially if you're used to the sleek, modern design of QuickBooks. So, it's all about finding what works best for you and your workflow. Here's where they really differ. QuickBooks gives you phone support, live chat, and tons of help articles. This is a huge advantage if you run into an issue and need immediate assistance, especially helpful for busy business owners who don't have the time to troubleshoot. Manager Io, on the other hand, relies on community forums and guides. This is fine if you like figuring things out on your own, but not ideal for urgent problems. If you ever find yourself stuck, this could add some frustration, so keep that in mind. Manager Io works best for solo workers, freelancers, and small businesses with simple needs. If you're just getting started or need something free or cheap and can handle less support, it's a solid option. QuickBooks is better if you need lots of app connections, want easy-to-use software, or prefer having real customer support when things go wrong. Shopify store owners with more complex accounting needs, or those who plan on expanding quickly, might find QuickBooks to be the better long-term solution. Bottom line, Manager Io saves you money and covers the basics, making it great for startups or businesses with straightforward accounting needs. QuickBooks costs more but offers more power, polish, and peace of mind, especially if your business is growing and requires more advanced features. Choose based on your budget, business size, and how complex your accounting needs are. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this comparison helpful and that it makes your decision easier. If you enjoyed the video, please consider giving me a like. It really helps out the channel. And if you're not sure what to watch next, click right here to watch this playlist packed with more tutorials that can help take your Shopify business to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.